Hello, welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this screen, then you know which video we're gonna continue. Yes, today we're gonna continue our application video part number 2. So in the application number 1, we also chucked how to apply for SRH University. We just go through the SRH University official website requirements, and we also just go through the courses, information technology, and there also was information technology and specialization of blockchain technology and artificial intelligence. Now we have selected information technology, but you can also select blockchain or artificial intelligence depending on your experience or depending of your interest. But if you want to know what are the courses that they are teaching in that, then please check and go to our previous video and check the courses that they are teaching for particular specialization that you are choosing. Then if you're seeing me for the first time and do not know anything about this particular channel, then I suggest you guys to please check out our channel. In this our channel, we just do our requirement analysis of each German university. What are the colleges you can look for in Germany in order to apply for German universities, what are the courses that you can apply, what are the documents that you need to know, and where to apply, when to apply. After getting to know, we also do our application videos, how to apply for free, and in that also we have our one-on-one session. If you want a one-on-one session with me, if you need more support and you need me to apply for you, then you can also check out our YouTube membership. If you can't, then you can also contact me via email or any of the LinkedIn profiles. Then I can also schedule one-on-one session for you. Then in the previous video, we stopped in here where we selected Master of M Engineering in Information Technology, which is for 4th semester, and it was Information Technology. And after that, we also saved it as a draft. Then we went through the profile. So in profile, we wanted to give our normal information or basic information about our profile. Then the given name is Yashwant Goda and family name is Satish. I have given my full name, and passport number I have given a dummy passport number. This is not mine. And birth is when I born. It is April 6, 1999. Then gender, citizenship, place of birth, and country of residence. And after giving all these things, then your profile will be ready. This is your basic information. After that, you can also give a formal photo, but I have not chosen to give it because it's not a mandatory field. But I suggest you guys to just upload a photo so that it will be complete. Okay. Then after that, please click on save as a draft. Then you can go to contacts. So in contacts, you have to give your email address, telephone number, this is also dummy, then address where you are living as of now. You will be living in India, then Vidyaranpuram, 5th Main, Mysore, Karnataka, that's where I come from, then postal code, then country. After giving this your contact details and also your home address, then you can click on save as draft. After that, it will be our secondary education. So secondary education is nothing but in order to go for your higher education, which is your higher education that you have done now. The higher education that you have done now is your bachelor's. For that, the secondary education that you performed in order to go to your higher education was your 12th standard. That's the reason here I have filled in 12th standard details. But here they have also given that did you graduate from German school, then please fill out the following fields below. Otherwise, if you are not from Germany, if you did it abroad, then just fill the mandatory fields. So we don't need to check for any state of Germany because we have not done it in Germany. We just go in the graduation date. So I graduated in 2016, my PUC. Then we can't also give the district where we have done because all districts are German districts. Then type of HCB also we can't select, grade also we can't select. We can just say country of university entrance qualification. That's it. After that, we can click on save as an draft. Then we go to higher education. So in higher education, you can at first fill your bachelor degree, but there is an option you can also fill your high school master degree if you have done extra degrees. But as a practice, I am just showing you how to fill one degree. Then you can add and insert a new block and fill in your, say example, high school degree for 12th ones, 10th ones. Then if you have done any one of the masters in India already, you're coming for second masters, then you can also fill for masters. But to make the video small and easy understanding, I have just filled and showed you how to fill in for bachelor degree. Others will be same because it is same. In bachelor degree, we can just see the status of my studies because we can't choose any of the status because all German status are all are for German status, and graduation from foreign university is one, or graduation from foreign university is bachelor, which is us, and we can select we have graduated from foreign university abroad. Then official name of the school is VTU or Vishweshwaraya Technological University. At first it will be like a list, but usually you can't find it in list because in list it is only German university. If you don't find it in list, then click on this I didn't find my institution from the list, then you can write it by your own. You don't need to search in the list. So this is a handy tip. Then start of studies, I started in 2016 and I finished my degree in 2020, 4 years of bachelor degree. Then the program name was for Bachelor of Engineering and the program name was Electrical Engineering that I studied. Then mode of study was full time. Country where I did was India, and diploma number, diploma issue date and diploma issued by, if you want you can fill in. This information will be in your bachelor degree certificate, but it is not mandatory. That's the reason I have not filled, because I have not filled because anyway I will be uploading the document, then they can also look the things by themselves. Then city where I finished is Mysore, study language is English complete, and the GPA that I got awarded is 1.7. How you can convert your GPA from your CGPA to GPA? So for that we have already known or showed you so many times. There is a TUM online converter. I will just show you again. So in the Google you can just search for TUM grade conversion formula. So here this is the grade conversion tool. The maximum grade that you can obtain in CGPA is 10, and minimum passing grade for CGPA is 4 or either 5 depending upon your university. So if I give it 4 and my current CGPA was 8.8, and if I convert, then it will comes up to 1.5. Then if I give it to 5 as a passing grade, then if you convert, it will comes up to 1.7. I usually convert it as to 5 because in VTU it is 5 and I was having 8.8 CGPA. That's the reason I get 1.7 GPA, and I have put it here as 1.7, and I told you how to do it, so you guys, I guess you guys understood. Then after filling, if you want to fill your master degree details and your high school details, then you can select any of this and fill it as the same how I showed you for bachelor degree. After that we can go for language. So here I have put our native language as Kannada because I grew up in Karnataka. Then in foreign language, what are the things that we have studied? So I have done my IELTS in English and the score was 6.7, and that's the reason I have put C1 proficiency. But the language requirement for this particular course is only 6.5. Then if you have a person who has 6.5, then also you can fill it and submit the application. They need minimum 6.5. I just filled in because I had 7. After that, if you still have German language skills, say example I have my German language up to B1, then you can click on insert language, insert new language here. Then you can click on German. Then the language test date or certificate from whom, and proficiency is B1, and study here and where you have done it. So then you can click on save as draft. After saving draft, then you can go for visa. So here you can either say where you are intentionally or intended to apply for visa. So usually people who are from Karnataka have to apply via Bangalore. That's where our visa authorities lie, or German consulate or VFS Bangalore. Then I don't have applied for embassy or consulate. That's the reason I have selected no. Then the document sections. So we have uploaded bachelor degree certificate, PUC certificate, and passport and CV. So these were the uploads that we have to upload because this was the applications or the documents that we needed. But we can also go to checklist and see what are the checklists that they need. So they need curriculum vitae, we uploaded a WA document, all. Then passport, yes, we have uploaded. Bachelor degree certificate with the transcript of records, yes, we have uploaded. Then entry qualification, Bachelor of Studies, we have uploaded. After that, you can also go for our other section. In adult section, you can also check if you have a medical info, if you have suffering from medical condition, then you can also request for it. And additional request, what are the things, blah blah blah. If you want to apply for a scholarship, then if you need a paid course or something like that, then you can additionally request here. Then information source is where you know about this particular course, and special needs if you have, then please select others and select something. But I didn't had anything extra, that's the reason I selected where I got the information about studies, then I finished it. Then you can click on next page. After this you can check for the checklist how you are finished, then you are done for submitting the application. After filling all this, please check again. After that you can click on submit the application and your application will be submitted. But usually I don't submit because the application which I have filled or showed you to fill is complete dummy, so usually I don't submit the application. But this is the procedure you need to follow, you know, to apply for this particular course. Hope you guys enjoyed it and had a very good session on understanding how to apply for this particular SRH University for information technology. In the upcoming videos I will do requirement analysis and also sustainable technology application video for this particular course, again SRH. Then in that video we will also meet again. So see you in next videos. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Meet again.